Imagine creating such eye-catching AI videos that look premium, sound professional, and have zero watermark without paying anything at all. It sounds impossible, especially when most AI tools hide their best features behind payments, daily limits, or forced watermarks that ruin the final output. This frustration is exactly why many creators struggle to stay consistent. That is why, in this video, I am going to show you a free AI tool that I personally tested and trust. With this tool, you can create high-quality AI videos very easily, with automatic background sound, clean output, and no watermark, completely free. The tool I am talking about is called Grok AI. It is a powerful free AI platform that delivers impressive results. Using Grok AI, you can generate more than 20 professional AI videos in a single day without spending anything. The videos look smooth, modern, and ready to post. Many people worry about limits, but do not worry. Later in this video, I will share a smart and practical tip that allows you to continue creating videos without restriction. With this method, you will have complete freedom to generate unlimited AI videos. Now, let us begin the process step by step. First, open Google and search for Grok AI. From the search results, click on the first official link, and you will land directly on the homepage of the tool. Complete the quick sign-up process, and once it is done, your dashboard will be ready and fully active. Before creating our first video, we need to adjust one important setting. Click on the Settings option, then open Behavior. Here, disable the automatic video generation option. This step is very important because it gives you full control over how your videos are created and prevents unwanted auto-processing. After this, click on the Imagine option. From here, you can either convert an image into a video or create a video using text. Switch to the image to video mode and select your preferred aspect ratio based on the platform you are targeting. Now, enter your prompt and click Generate. The video will start processing, and after a few moments, it will be ready. Just look at the result. The video quality is sharp and smooth, there is no watermark at all, and the background sound is automatically added and perfectly matches the mood. Everything looks professional and clean. You can now download the video easily. Let us create our second video. Enter a new prompt and click Generate again. After a short wait, the video is ready. Once again, the quality, sound, and overall look are impressive and exactly as expected. Let's create another video using the same steps. The process remains simple and repeatable. Enter the prompt, generate the video, and within moments, the final output is ready. Once again, the result looks attractive, high quality, and well balanced. I repeated this process several times and generated multiple videos using Grok AI, and here are the results. You can clearly see the consistency in quality, sound, and visual appeal. There is no watermark on any video, the background sound blends perfectly, and the entire workflow is very easy, even for beginners. Now, it is time for the special tip. Each Grok AI account allows you to generate more than 20 videos per day. If you want to create more videos in a single day, simply create another account using a different email and repeat the same process. This way, you can continue generating videos freely without any limitation. The best part is that you can also earn money using this method. You can post these AI videos on social media platforms, grow your audience, and turn your content into a source of income. Many creators are already doing this successfully, and now you have the opportunity to do the same. I have shared everything with you clearly and honestly. Now it is up to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. We will continue bringing more valuable and easy AI tutorials for you. Stay connected, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and thank you very much for watching.